Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Tricky Dicky Mason. If you're new here, I'm Dicky. Today we're diving into a topic that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, men's skincare and cosmetics. Specifically, we're going to talk about Shake Up Cosmetics, a brand that's challenging the traditional views of self-care for men. But before we get into the positives, let's talk about those negatives. Let's be honest, skincare and cosmetics for men still carry a bit of a stigma, especially in men our age. Growing up, many of us were taught that skincare was something only women did, using face creams, serums, potions and lotions, or just having a skincare routine wasn't exactly on the radar for most guys. But times are changing, and that stigma is slowly beginning to fade. Shake Up Cosmetics, a brand founded by twin brothers from Beijing who grew up in the UK, is one of those brands working hard to break down those barriers. The product line launched at Harvinex in 2019 and quickly became a hit, with products now available in countries like UK, Australia, New Zealand, and even China. So how does Shake Up challenge that stigma? For one, they focus on men's self-well-being through skincare and cosmetics that are specifically designed for the unique needs of men's skin. So let's talk about some of those products. First of all, I'm going to go wash my face and we're going to try some of those products on. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, my skin is now looking like uncooked chicken. Now let's take a look at some of those products that make Shake Up Cosmetics stand out. First of all, the face toner, priced at £17. So I'm now going to apply some onto a cotton pad. Shake Up's toner is designed to reduce pore size, control oil, and prevent breakouts. It has ingredients like glycolic acid. Now, glycolic acid brightens your skin while minimizing pores. Now let's address something that's probably a little bit more familiar to most of us, and that's tired eyes. No matter how tough we think we are, no one is immune to those dark circles or fine lines. And this is where the Age Define eye cream comes in. Now this product description tells you that in just 90 seconds, it tightens and firms the eye areas. So let's just quickly apply some of this. And I'm going to apply it under one of my eyes. Okay, I'm going to apply it to one of my eyes. Let's start that stopwatch. So 90 seconds, and I should be looking like a spring chicken. Now this product contains caffeine and a peptide. It provides an energizing boost and it helps to combat the signs of aging. This isn't about vanity, it's about looking and feeling awake, especially if you've had a tough night and not had a full 17 hours sleep like I need. We're up to 90 seconds. Okay, so this is my right eye that I put the product on, and this is my left eye. Okay, I guess it's looking less puffy. It hasn't transformed me into a 24-year-old stud muffin, but yeah, I'll apply it to the other eye. And if a little is good, more must be better. So that's the eye cream, and we'll see how that works in both eyes, and we'll look at that again in a minute. Let's try Face Forward Pro Youth Serum. This serum is designed to fight the signs of fine lines, sun damage, irritation and dryness. It nourishes the skin and helps fight signs of aging. Let's apply some of this bad boy. It's very liquidy. And that's sunk straight into my skin straight away. Wow, that's gone in straight away. Wow, that feels like it's been absorbed very, very quickly. My face is almost touch dry now. Once we put the serum on, it always needs to be followed by a moisturiser. Okay, let's talk about hydration now. Men's skin tends to be thicker and more oily, but it still needs moisturiser. And if you're someone who doesn't want to mess with creams or lotions, then Shake Up's Hydrate in a Hurry is a solution. You simply, like a deodorant stick really, you put it onto your skin. And I'm not convinced by this stick, to tell the truth. It does feel like I've used a stick deodorant on my face. Now this ticket is, I should just mention actually that serum is £40. I didn't realise it cost that much when I bought it. I bought a lot of products at the same time, but yeah, the face serum is £40. I want to see a transformation for £40. Okay, so let's try this Face Forward Matte Effect Gel Moisturiser. This feels better. Now this feels like a moisturiser. I was going to say there is a bit of a scent to it. I can't work out what it is though. I don't know, maybe Savlon? Doesn't smell bad, it smells quite nice. Well, that's sinking in. Now the Face Forward Moisturiser comes in a tube now and it's priced at £25. This is perfect daily moisturiser for all skin types. It offers maximum hydration without greasy shine. Shake Up's Face Forward Moisturiser replenishes tight skin and controls oil to give men's naturally oily skin a healthier complexion. And that's dried pretty quick. It does sink instantly into the skin, making dry and dull skin look a thin of their past, so it says. The next product we're going to look at is the Eye Captain Under Eye Concealer and Moisturiser. Now, I'm not a great fan of concealers. Sorry, I am a great fan of concealers, but I'm not a great fan of concealers under the eye. Although my eyes are looking pretty good. Okay. It's got 3 little roller boards on the bottom, and I assume I don't like that. Okay, so I'm just tapping it in, and it's pretty sticky to tell the truth. That just looks awful. Let me take some of that off. Yeah, I wasn't keen with that. As I've already said, concealer underneath the eyes on aging skin, it tends to highlight all the lines. And I didn't particularly like the way that they're just stuck and wouldn't move from my eyes. So, okay, so I'm not a fan of the Eye Captain Under Eye Concealer and Moisturiser. It certainly didn't feel very moisturising to me. Okay, so let's go on to the star of the show, the Let's Face It BB Tinted Moisturiser Cream. And I've got this in shade 1, which is the fair shade. Okay, so I've put my under eye cream on. I've used a serum, and I've now used a moisturiser. My face is feeling okay, and that's the shade. Okay, let's give it a go. Again, I apply with my fingers. I am impressed with the under eye gel. If nothing else you take from this video, then it's the under eye gel for me. It really did. I mean, I don't know how long it's going to last, but at the moment, my under eyes look pretty good. And I didn't get a full 17 hours sleep last night, so I'm still struggling with the concealer that I put on earlier. It's still really weird underneath my eyes. The other one looks all right, but they definitely look less puffy than they did before. So yeah, really like the eye gel. It's actually gone on quite thick. You know, tinted moisturiser tends to be quite thin and show a lot of the imperfections underneath the skin afterwards, which I quite like because it looks very natural. I don't know. It's not terrible. Okay, so I've applied that tinted moisturiser to my skin. It actually feels quite heavy for a tinted moisturiser, I will not lie to you. And it's maybe covered a little bit heavier than a normal tinted moisturiser that I would wear. Anyway, it's gone. It doesn't look terrible, but my face does look fairly washed out. Shake Up Cosmetics don't offer a bronzer, so I've got my War Paint bronzer. And if you've watched my other videos, you'll know that how to apply this. Apply it to the brow hairline first of all, half moon down either side of your face, and a bit on the chin, and then blend all that in. Okay, so there's a little bit more colour there now. Now, Shake Up Cosmetics do offer a set and done spray. A setting spray keeps your makeup in place all day. From whatever you put on your face, it'll keep it on your face longer. It'll stop you wiping it onto clothes and things like that. And also, if you haven't blended your cosmetics particularly well, it actually helps. It kind of fixes all the little tiny problems. And you simply spray that onto your face and you let that dry for a minute, and there we have the finished look. And there with Shake Up Cosmetics don't offer a bronzer. They do offer this set and done spray, and War Paint don't offer a set and done spray. And I think it's such an important part of the routine because it just helps everything blend together on your face. It helps it to last longer. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more tips, tricks and reviews for staying sharp and confident as you hit 60 and beyond, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried Shake Up Cosmetics or you're considering giving it a go. Until next time, stay confident, stay active, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. Bye for now, and I'll see you back soon.